Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll walk you through how to buy cryptocurrency using your local currency like USD, AUD on the MEXC mobile application. If you are just getting started with crypto, this is the easiest way to get your first coins using real cash. So let's get into it. First, open your MEXC application. Now go to the wallet section. Choose Fiat from the top and tap on buy crypto. And now here, select the currency you want to pay with. Depending on your reason, options like EUR or USD might be available. Now choose the crypto you want to buy. USDT is the most common because it lets you trade into any other coin later. Enter how much you want to spend, like $50 or 5,000 EUR. Once you confirm the amount, then choose a payment method. MEXC partners with third-party services like Simplex or Transact to process payments via debit credit card and even bank transfers. Once you confirm, you will be redirected to the secure website. Enter your payment details, complete any identity verification if required, and confirm the transaction. Once the payment is processed, the crypto will be deposited into your MEXC spot wallet. Here, this usually takes a few minutes depending on the provider and network traffic, and that's it. You will now be able to buy crypto with fiat on the MEXC mobile application. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.